Hello and welcome to our channel where we help you overcome life's challenges and reach your full potential. In today's video, we will be discussing how to overcome procrastination and stay motivated. Procrastinating and unmotivated? So are others. Procrastination and poor motivation are difficult to overcome, but with the correct tactics, you can. This essay will help you quit procrastinating and stay motivated to achieve your goals faster. Procrastination involves putting off or avoiding tasks. It can be caused by perfectionism, fear of failure, lack of enthusiasm, feeling overwhelmed, or too many conflicting priorities. Understanding why you procrastinate can help you stay motivated. Once you know why you delay, you can develop techniques to stay motivated and finish your work. If perfectionism is keeping you from finishing a project, remind yourself that nobody is perfect and aim for greatness instead. Break a large or complicated work into smaller, more manageable tasks if you're overwhelmed. If you're procrastinating due to a lack of desire, try setting realistic rewards for each step toward your goal to keep you motivated. Positive self-talk and optimism can also boost motivation for any undertaking. Triggers help overcome procrastination and stay motivated. External triggers cause us to start or avoid a task. Triggers include email notifications, hearing a colleague discuss a future assignment, and feeling swamped by work. Awareness of thoughts and emotions throughout the day might help us detect triggers. Knowing when you're motivated and when you're not might help you avoid procrastinating. Keeping a 2-week diary is another option. Write down any distractions that hindered you from finishing chores on time and any positive activities that kept you focused on your goals. After finishing the diary, look for patterns like sorts of distractions or periods when they occurred most often to develop tactics for dealing with them. SMART goals help overcome procrastination and motivate. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. It helps you break down big ambitions into smaller, more attainable ones. You can track progress and keep motivated by defining SMART goals. Start SMART objectives by thinking a specific action or outcome. This should be measurable so you can track your progress. After choosing an activity, check if the goal is possible with the resources and timeline. Consider if it's realistic given your skill set and finances. Finally, set a deadline for your objective to keep you focused and accountable. Breaking work into smaller steps helps overcome procrastination and motivate. Breaking undertakings into simple steps makes them less intimidating. Make a project checklist. Writing out each step helps simplify complex activities and create a visual chronology. Breaking projects into small segments allows you to measure progress and stay motivated. This method also discourages procrastination by setting a realistic objective with a short deadline. You'll feel accomplished after each stage. Breaking projects into smaller chunks might help you set realistic goals and avoid fatigue. Rewards motivate desirable action. This could be a treat, money, praise, or recognition. Rewards boost motivation and focus. Rewarding yourself for finishing a big assignment by the end of the week can help you avoid procrastination. Rewards can also help you enjoy difficult jobs by reinforcing your accomplishment. Knowing you'll get a reward at the end might motivate you and discourage you from procrastinating to attain your goals faster. Focusing and prioritizing can help overcome procrastination. A plan helps you focus on what has to be done and when. Knowing that each step leads to a bigger objective will keep you motivated. Don't waste time on low-priority chores by prioritizing them. Avoid multitasking, which can cause confusion and stress. Breaking complex projects into smaller segments helps your brain focus on one issue instead of being overwhelmed by the full endeavor. Finally, utilize reminders or calendars to avoid missing deadlines so you can do challenging chores without feeling pressured or overwhelmed. It's hard to motivate yourself when you're stressed. Celebrating your victories helps keep you motivated. Celebrating achievements can provide you a reprieve from work and inspire you to tackle the next challenge. Setting manageable, short-term goals is one method to do this. Set weekly goals to finish sections of an essay due in 2 weeks and reward yourself when you do. This can help break down a difficult undertaking into manageable portions that get easier as you go. Celebrating each goal with friends or family makes it more rewarding. Finally, remembering your progress might help you stay motivated and avoid procrastination. Take time to reflect on how far you've come, even if it's just gathering research materials or outlining basic concepts, and use that as motivation to finish the project. Staying motivated helps overcome procrastination. Setting short-term goals, making things manageable, and rewarding yourself are ways to stay motivated. Short-term goals can motivate since they can be reached faster than long-term ones. A reward system encourages hard work by rewarding task completion. Breaking activities into digestible parts makes them seem less frightening and more doable, making it easier to stay motivated. Finally, staying motivated requires frequent breaks. Breaks let you refocus and refresh so you may return to your work with renewed energy and excitement. These methods should help you avoid procrastination and stay focused throughout the day to finish any project. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep striving towards your goals. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop a message below.